Good morning, welcome back to another trucking vlog. Today we are going to get our live load. We woke up about 7:30. It's currently 8 a.m. so we've been up and driving for about 25 minutes now. We got 128 miles to our pickup, and I don't know, last night we probably could have drove over there and like stopped at a truck stop closer, but I was just like, there's like the Iowa 80 truck stop back there. Ooh, that's some freaking heartburn this morning, damn. But the Iowa 80 truck stop's back there, and it's a nice truck stop, and I didn't eat anything all day, and I was like, man, I really want Taco Bell, so I had Taco Bell. So gotta take this exit here. Why are we hopping on Highway 70, bro? This ain't good. I thought it was Interstate 70. I guess we'll do what the thing says. So apparently this load, on my tablet it says it's going to Buda, Texas, but apparently I'm supposed to call dispatch after I pick up this load, and wherever the bills say is where it's going, not what the tablet says, which is understandable, but I'm trying to figure this out because today's Tuesday. I'm in North Carolina, and Colby's calling me, but I'll call him back in a minute. Can I ignore him? Okay, I'll call him back in a minute. Oh, no music. Okay, anyways, so I have to go to Texas to deliver this, but I might have to relay this somewhere because my last day is Saturday the 8th, right? So if it's going to Houston, there's no way, because like basically, like I told them the 8th is my last day, like that's the day I'm done. So basically, like technically the 7th is my last day, right? Because like the 8th is the day I'm going to use to clean out the truck. So I guess I could always trim the truck in at Seagoville if, say, they do make me go to Houston, and then they're like, oh, we'll just have you go, you know, up to Seagoville. And because like I don't care where I drop it. My only thing is like in the truck I have 11 hours of drive time. In a car I can drive, you know, 13 hours if needed, which from Seagoville to Kansas City is like 10 hours. But if I'm in Houston and I drive from Houston to Seagoville, and then they're like, oh, come to Joplin, I won't have enough hours on my clock to make it from Houston to Joplin in a day. So I'm not really sure. We're just gonna have to see where it's going. Hopefully it's going to like Buda, because if it's going to Buda, Seagoville is like on the way to Buda, so I can just have some other driver take it from Seagoville to Buda, and then they can find me something out of Seagoville up to Joplin, or even per se deadhead me. I don't know, but like the 8th I want to be out of the truck because it's gonna be quick, guys. Like the 8th, like I gotta figure out sometime this week to like stop at a truck stop and get an Uber over to like a DOT facility and get a urine sample done. But like the 8th I'm done with CFI, and then the 9th I'm driving from Kansas City to Chicago, and then the 9th I'll stay in a hotel, and the 10th I'll have orientation, and this car's doing 61, so we're gonna pass it here in a minute. But we got 21 miles to the shipper. I'm just trying to keep you guys updated with what's going on. It is very tight, but as you know me, guys, like Jay, when he has a mission, he does it, right? Like these videos, right? Like I drive 650 miles in a day, and then I sit back there and edit a dang video, and I post it, you know, like, so like me, I don't mind having a busy schedule because that's kind of already my life, right? So anyways, we got 20 miles till we get to the shipper, and we'll be back with you there. All right, guys, instead of it being a live load, I went in there and there was no pickup number on my tablet, so I was like, and he's like, who do you drive for? I was like, CFI. He's like, all right. And I remember like reading the information on the tablet. It said, you know, load might be going to Houston or like Coppell or like one other place. And he was like, I got one ready to go to Houston and one to go to Coppell. And I was like, well, I know Coppell is close to Dallas. It's like part of Dallas. So I was like, send me to Coppell. So our load's going to Koppel, and we got 111 miles here. I'm gonna stop at this Love's. I think I'm gonna grab a shower, I might as well, and then I'm gonna keep on driving this afternoon. So we'll be there around 12:40, and we got 8 hours of drive time. I don't know if we're gonna be able to drive it all, just for the fact that, you know, but I guess I could have got over there sooner and picked it up. The tablet made it seem like it was a live load and there was no ifs, ands, or buts about it, and that you had to be there right at 10 o'clock. But I mean, I was there at 10:20. So, and he was like, also the one going to Houston was on like a 3 Series trailer, which was old, and I was just like, yeah, just give me the newer trailer. Like, I don't know, it would have been more of a predicament if the 3 Series trailer was going to Dallas, because I may have been like, what was that? Sounds like a rock just got launched. I don't know, it would have been different. But I tried to enter the address on the GPS, and it wouldn't take it, but it took it on the trucker path, so maybe we'll figure it out here in a little bit. But I do need to grab a shower. I was gonna stop at the Atlanta yard tonight, but I can't even make it there without taking a 30-minute break, so I might as well just go past Atlanta, I guess. What is that noise? Am I about to have like a tire blowout? I don't know what's going on. Did an airbag? I don't know what happened, dude. I just see rubber fly off. I checked my tires this morning. One of them felt kind of funny, but I don't know what that noise is from. I'm gonna see if there's a Love's closer that I can pull off at and check this out. I don't want to pull on the shoulder unless I know it's completely blown. So we stopped at this Love's, got some lunch. We were off duty for about 3 hours. We are now headed to Atlanta. We're gonna stop at the Atlanta yard for the night. I went and got a urine analysis done. So I had to get a lift from the Love's over to the place, because I've been in touch with the company that I'm going to next, and they were like, yeah, we need to, you know, get you to get a urine analysis, that way we can get you to orientation on Monday. So I picked up this load, stopped at this Love's, and I called them and I said, hey, you know, how far is the closest place to there I can go? And they were like, it's about 6 miles or so. And I was like, okay, that works. Order me an Uber. They don't pay for the Uber, so I mean, CFI paid for that when I went to there. Well, I guess they didn't actually. Let me take that back. They probably do, but I just drove myself because I was at home, you know. But I'm not at home right now, so we are getting back on the interstate though, and I don't know, I always get like a shy bladder and stuff when I go do the urine analysis, dude. Like, I don't know what it is, but like I literally got there, and I hope my urine's not dilated, because I literally got here to this Love's and I was like, let me take a shower. Took a shower, and then as I was like taking a shower, I didn't pee in the shower, okay, but before I take a shower, you know, I was like, oh, let's get that morning doo-doo out. So we went number 2. Dude, it's blowing hot air. Why is it blowing hot air? Come on, get this AC going. What is this? But yeah, so we accidentally went pee, and then it was like, well, I got a drink. So I probably had like 50 ounces of water, and then I don't know, we'll see. Last time this happened, I drank a ton of water. You don't get to go, woman. I have the right of way. You're at a stop sign. But yeah, so now we're headed to Atlanta. Gonna stop there. I think that's like, they'll put us down to like 800 miles, and then tomorrow we'll knock out like 600, and then Thursday we'll wake up and go deliver it, because it's due Thursday the 6th. So we're on schedule still. Should be good. I also found out what that loud bang was earlier. When I got to that Love's, I checked, but I always forget. I throw my MacBook on my bed, and it must have shifted over and it slammed into the wall. And that's what that loud thud was. It's done it before, and I was like, damn, what's going on back there? I always forget. It's a stupid MacBook sliding on my bed. I need to just put it away, and I never do because I'm so lazy. But yeah, so nothing's wrong with the truck. It was just the MacBook sliding, tapping the wall. So yeah, still got quite a bit of ways to go, but it ain't nothing anymore. I am 138 miles away from Atlanta, dude, and there has been so much dang like traffic. Like every like 10 miles, you know, I gotta slow down to like 40, and then we get back up to speed, and then in another 10 miles back down, and it's just annoying, dude. I got another 138 miles to go of this crap. Ugh. This is like what makes driving stressful, dude. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't mind just like driving down the interstate, but I don't know. I've never been on 85 southbound, and I never want to do it again. I'll just say that. We made it here to Atlanta. I got broads in Atlanta. I don't even know how that song goes. I haven't heard it in so long. We're gonna get somewhere to park here though. Let's see, any good spots here? This one looks like it's a great spot, actually. Might even be able to kind of do this a little wonky here. Maybe, I don't know, I probably messed that up. Oh boy.
On road, then turn left. Turn right, then take the first right.
I need to pull it right just a little bit more and then cut it out. Alright. Just like that, like them apples right there. Not bad. Could have been a little bit better of a setup, but can't complain. Keep it going straight here. And give her some right. Oh, I looked over at that right mirror, right? And it was way out, and I was like, what? I thought I was about to hit something. Just want to make sure I don't tap this guardrail back here. Might have to get out and check here in a second. I think we're gonna be pretty good though. Let's stop right there and go look at it. But make sure you guys hit that like button. This place pretty basic. I can't really show you guys anything about this place. Heartland Express. Heartland Express does not allow their drivers to have YouTube channels, but I am still technically a CFI driver. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.